Mechanism of vision in human beings. 1. Light entry through the cornea. Vision begins when light enters the eye through the cornea, the transparent, dome-shaped outer layer that helps to focus the incoming light. 2. Regulation of light by the iris and pupil. The iris, the colored part of the eye, controls the size of the pupil, adjusting the amount of light that enters the eye. In bright light, the pupil constricts. In dim light, it dilates. 3. Refraction by the lens. The lens, located behind the pupil, fine-tunes the focus of light onto the retina by changing shape through the process of accommodation, aided by the ciliary muscles. 4. Formation of image on the retina. The light rays are bent and focused to form an inverted and real image on the retina, a thin layer of tissue at the back of the eye. 5. Photoreception by rods and cones. The retina contains photoreceptor cells, rods, sensitive to dim light, responsible for night vision. Cones detect color and fine detail, active in bright light. 6. Conversion of light into electrical signals. Photoreceptors convert light into electrical impulses through a process called phototransduction involving pigments like rhodopsin and iodopsin. 7. Signal transmission to bipolar and ganglion cells. The electrical impulses are transmitted from photoreceptors to bipolar cells and then to ganglion cells, which gather and process visual information. 8. Formation of the optic nerve. Axons of ganglion cells bundle together to form the optic nerve, which carries the visual signals from the retina to the brain. 9. Crossing at the optic chiasma. At the optic chiasma, fibers from the nasal halves of both retinas cross over, ensuring that visual information from both eyes is integrated for binocular vision. 10. Image processing in the visual cortex. The visual signals reach the primary visual cortex in the occipital lobe of the brain, where the information is interpreted, resulting in perception of images, including color, shape, movement, and depth.